Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Now, if you haven't seen, or for those that haven't seen, I did a video probably over a year ago, something like that, of mods that you could still buy for £5. So if, I know this lockdown's been quite harsh on everyone, but for those that still want to do things to their car, you can do things that are either free or you're up to £5. Now that was on the last video. Now with this one, I was going to do £10, but it's not that different. So I'm going to do things that we can do for £20 and under. Now, again, £20 doesn't seem a lot, but the difference between £5 and £20, there's such a lot more you can do, as from the list that I'm going to do. Now, I had a quick look through eBay. Everything that I'm going to mention today, apart from one, is all found on eBay. So I'm not going to put links on because I'm going to be there forever, but I will put photos of things that I'm talking about so you can see. So what we'll do is, I'm not going to spend too much detail on each one because it's going to be quite obvious as to what they are, but I've got quite a lot to go through, so I'll just cut to the chase and begin with the list. So I just want to point out as well that these mods aren't for everyone. Before you turn around and think, oh yeah, they're all really crap, or they're all tacky. I'm just bringing ideas to you, from what you can get for the budget. As I say, you don't have to do them to your car. I might list one or two things that you might think, oh yeah, that is really good, and you might want to go and buy them, so who knows. But so yes, try not to be too harsh with these. So number one, these are ST side stripes. Now these are the stripes that go down the side of the car. Most STs have them as standard. Some people take them off, but you can buy these. I believe you can get these from, eBay or DMB. And I say these are about £15. And I say if your car hasn't come with these, or if it's a standard Mark 6, you can buy these in different colours, in white and gold, and it's various different colours that you can buy. And it does add that little bit something, like sporty look, I think, maybe to your car. So the second one is the D-wiper kit. A little bung that goes into your boot, which replaces a wiper. Some people like them, some people don't, whether you use your rear wiper. But yeah, the wiper kit, that is £12. That is an option that you can go for. Now the next one is basically a coloured washer kit for the engine bay. Now you've probably seen these before. They are basically washers that are coloured. You get them in red, gold, blue, different ones. And they go over the little screws that go around the engine bay. Can add a little bit of colour to your engine. Again, you may like them, you may not. Your choice if you want to do that, but again, that is an option. So something else that you can do for £20, which I'm kind of glad I did mods for under £20, not 10, because then it involves these, are the gel overlays. Now, I say these are £20, they are literally max budget, but these are really good. I do enjoy these, and you can get them in a whole range of colours. I've got a whole custom one for mine, but with these ones specifically, you can get the red and black. You can get many different ones. But I would check on prices if you go for the really custom ones like mine. But yeah, these, just to show you can get them for £20. The next one is something I've done as well. Lots of people have done. The Lego battery cover. Now you can pick these up for about £15–18, something like that. You will have to, I'll link a video again to our 23 hours video, because it's a lot better than mine, of how to cut the battery box. Bear in mind again, it's for an ST150 and not for a Mark 6, because they are different. If it's for a Mark 6 that you're wanting it for, you might have to find a different video, but they're still an option that you can buy. The next one is, I'm quite surprised actually how cheap these are, but if you want them, a Bonnet Lift Kit. Now again, I found these for about £10. Pretty simple thing that, again, it's your choice whether you want to do or not, but for £10, that's something else that's doable. The next thing is headlight brows. As I say, all these are Marmite mods, whether you like them or not, but these are obviously the light brows that go over your headlights. Now, say for the £18 or so that I found them for, that doesn't include painting them. I think, I'm sure they come as a in primer, so that doesn't include that, but it does show that you can buy them for that price. Now the next one that I've never seen before, but as I was looking through eBay, I've never actually seen them on anyone's car, to be fair, but I don't know if it's just a tacky thing or not, but fog light fluorescent covers. Now these are just like little fluorescent discs which fit in front of your fog lights. You can get them in red, blue, all different colours, and they just add that little bit of colour to your fog lights rather than painting them or using film or that type of thing. But yeah, I wonder, one or two of you might like those. Obviously they're for ST150 as well, so when you see the round ones. I don't know if they do them for the standard Mark 6 ones. The next one is a centre armrest. Now I've seen these for £18. Again, you will have to check if they fit in, whether it'll fit around the the centre armrest at the bottom, but you can buy them within budget, so that's something else. Now this one is one I was on about earlier that wasn't on eBay. This one I actually found on one of the Fiesta owners clubs. Now I'm sorry I can't find the guy who, if I can find his name I'll tag him in it, I'll mention him on this video. But these are jacking covers. Now a lot of people either lose or they get stolen, or if you just want to change with the style, they are jacking covers which actually say ST150. Now I think these are obviously 3D printed, but they do look quite good for those that are interested in these. That's something else that you can buy. Now the next thing is window tint. Now you can buy this, obviously you have to check sizes and how much you need, but from what I saw on eBay you can get it for £10. Whether you can do it or not fitting it, I did have a go originally, and it is harder than what it looks, to get it perfect and get all the bubbles out, but you can do that for £10. Now next one is Caliper Paint. Now again, you can choose red, black, whatever colour, but you only need the 125mm tubs, which should be enough. I'm sure I got the 250 I think when I got mine, which was a little bit dearer, but I was able to do 2 cars, giving it 2 coats on each one of those, and I've still got enough left in the garage to do another car if I wanted, or do this one when it needs. So yeah, so for the £8 or so that tin costs, that's more than enough. And the last one, which I'm going to save to the end, which I think is again up there along with the 3D gel overlays. Now a lot of people obviously want the 4D plates and all that, but I still think for those that like the look, you can pick up the pressed metal number plates for £20. And again, like these or you don't, but I do think they look better than the standards. Actually, I have metal pressed plates. I was looking at upgrading to either the gels or the 4D ones, but at the moment it's not something that I've done yet. But like I say, it is something you can do for £20, which does change the look of your car. Now I know I say I don't want to make this video too long. There's plenty of other stuff, as I say, that you can buy for £20. I hope these have given you some ideas. I'm just quickly going to shoot through now some more that I've just literally wrote down. I'm just going to say really quickly. I say the list is endless. So other things I found are wing decals, they're £10, the ones that go on the wing. Boot lock covers, they're £10. Universal cone filters, I'm not saying they're any good, but you can buy them, they're like £10. Bolt-on exhausts for those that have got a straight exhaust at the back, that you can see. You can stick one of those on there. And finally the light strips, that you can put around the dash, light up at night and all that type of thing. But as I say, all these things are your choice on whether to do them. I'm not saying you have to. It's just basically it gives you an idea of a difference, that what you can buy compared to £5. So 20 quid is not actually that a lot of difference, to be fair. It's only something like a takeaway, something you spend, or maybe a crate of beer or something. But yeah, so I hope this video has given you a few more ideas on what you can do to your car on a budget. As I say, I know not everyone's rich, but you can still make your car look nice. So if you have any more ideas in what you can buy for £20 or under, leave them down below. It's always good to let everyone else see what you can get. I know I've probably missed a few things. So yeah, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. Feel free to like, subscribe, share. It all helps me out. I really do appreciate everyone that watches and comments on my videos. But yeah, I'll leave it there for now. So I'll see you in the next one.